So today I'll be doing a review of the humidifier that I got. Excuse my kitty because she thinks that she can drink the water from it. So this is a donut humidifier. This is where the steam comes from, and this is where we'll put this part in the water, and it comes with this cable. So I will use this charger that I have here. I'm gonna be using things. I have water here. I don't know if you can see this, but it's a lot of. It's working pretty good. If you take it out, it will be turned off. So if you put it in, it will be on. So as I use humidifier a lot, I think that this is very, very good. For everyday use. You can put it on the desk, table, anywhere and everywhere. If you like the review of humidifier, please like and subscribe.